Hi and welcome to Excel Introduction. This time we are going to do some referencing, explain some basic referencing plus this approach called locking references by column or by row or both. Okay, so if we do A equals B2 over here, okay, equals B2, and you put your cursor down to the bottom right corner, click and drag all the way. Let's have a look now. File, oh, sorry, not file. Go into formulas, show formula. Okay. So you can see over here that it is referencing B2, and all these are corresponding rows and columns. Okay. So for B2, come back to formulas, click this off. Now I would like to extend this. If you were to copy the normal references, if you look at this again, show formula, you should see it is, it's just doing a basic copying, because as you extend the field series, all the columns and the rows will adjust accordingly. Okay, so Excel will automatically fill it in with series by default. Now sometimes you want to lock columns. So how do I lock columns? Because right now, if I were to come and have a look at this, it is consistent. But for some reason, let's just say I want this not to automatically fill it in with adjusted columns. Okay, let's see. How do we do that? Well, instead of just letting this B2 be written as such, you can say, hey, I want to lock this guy up. Lock B2. Don't do anything to B2. Okay? Sorry, not do anything to B, but you can automatically fill in and adjust this number 2 over here, this row. Okay? Right. So what do you anticipate to happen once I drag this thing down? You shouldn't see any changes for this column. Okay, it will be just a direct copy. However, as you extend this on the on each of these columns, you copy across columns, you see it doesn't really change the reference already. Okay, if you see over here B, it automatically adjusts to C, but over here, since I've locked B2 is consistent. Okay, to see the whole thing, let's have a look here. Show formula. So you can see B2 has been locked and is not adjusted. You can see over here, this is adjusted already. Okay, this is not adjusted, at least for the column. It is not being shifted to C, D, and E. So I guess right now, turn it off. The next thing that we would do is we're going to try and delete this, and instead of locking the column, we'll try to lock the other side right now. Let's try to lock this, lock the row. Okay, so once you have locked the row, what do you anticipate to happen? As I drag this all the way down across different rows, each of the rows will be locked, right? So they will be consistent. But as you fill in series across different columns, you're going to see a difference. You're going to see it being shifted. Yeah, so that's the correct one. Let's have a look at show formulas. Scroll this way. Sure enough, you can see 2, 2, 2, 2 is being locked. Even though we try to copy series, this locked item is not being copied across. It's being locked. Okay? So what if we lock both? Well, let's give it a try. If we lock both columns and row, let's try to delete this. Lock both. You scroll all this way down, it's 10. And if you scroll this way, it is also 10, because both its row and column is X and Y, they have been locked. Okay, so this video just explains the way you would lock this. Okay, lock the column and row. You will use this in next videos. Okay, right. So thank you.